Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have two styles that I will be doing on my hair today. Don't mind my hands, I was just messing with my hair, but don't get scared, it washes away with water. So with that being said, I'm going to show you guys two different styles that you can do on your hair when you want to prolong wash day, or if you want to try something cute and different. If you guys know me, I love something different. These are styles I haven't tried before on my hair, so let's just get started. For starters, I'm only going to show you guys one hairstyle because I decided that I wasn't really liking the second hairstyle and I'd rather just recreate it another time. So for today, I'm only going to show you one hairstyle that I haven't tried on my hair before, especially on curly hair. So let's get straight to it. All I'm doing is just making my part. Pretty much I'm making a part down the middle and then I'll be splitting my hair in half. So all I'm doing now is just putting one section of hair to the side while I work on the other one. You always have to wet your hair, especially if your hair is curly. You don't want to start parting on dry hair. And when you start to separate your curls, make sure that you are taking your time. You don't want to rip your hair out. So if you have to add more water, do so just to separate. And it definitely makes things way easier. So now we're just working with that front section, making sure that you add water and brush that down. All I'm going to do is actually twist this section and combine it with the section right behind it. And that's it. I'm adding a hair tie and securing it in place. And then I'm just going to lay down my edges. Super simple, low manipulation. And I'm actually going to repeat the same thing on the other side. And that is it. After you lay down your edges with edge control, if you want to lay them down, that is, you're good to go. So I will show you guys the final look and even give you my final thoughts. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate the love. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so that you guys are notified when I make my next video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My name is KraziiCurls, where I post daily. So this is look number one. This is nice, real simple, cute, easy. This is like a back to school look, or a just hanging around, going shopping with your girlfriends, going to lunch. You can just dress this up or dress it down, actually. I think so. Because if you pull these two closer together to meet in the middle, you really can't tell whether it is one ponytail or two. Simple, right? I think so.